In a vast, endless ocean, there lived a humble jellyfish named Jelly. Jelly was not like the other jellyfish. While they swam swiftly through the water, Jelly floated gently, barely moving at all. One day, a strong current swept through the ocean. All the jellyfish, except Jelly, were carried far away. They ended up in a place where there was little food and no one to play with. Meanwhile, Jelly, who had floated gently with the current, ended up near a beautiful coral reef. There, Jelly found plenty of food and new friends. The other jellyfish, who had been struggling, wished they had floated like Jelly. The next time a current came, the jellyfish asked Jelly, "Why didn't you swim with us? We could have avoided this current together." Jelly replied, "Swimming against the current only tires you out. Floating with it allows you to go where you need to be, even if it's not immediately." From that day on, the jellyfish learned to float with the current, instead of fighting against it. They realized that sometimes, going with the flow can lead to unexpected blessings. In the end, they understood that life isn't always about rushing forward. Sometimes, it's about finding peace in the present and letting the current take you where you need to go. And so, the jellyfish learned a valuable lesson from Jelly, that sometimes, floating gently is a wiser choice than swimming desperately.